Oh God. Alright. Welcome to RX7. Welcome viewers. I just got raped at the petrol station again. $2.20 for a litre of BP Ultimate. What do they think? What do they think they can do, huh? Crazy. Crazy, crazy. It has been raining for the past few months here in Sydney, Australia. And today's like one of the first days that it's actually sunny. So I actually thought that I'd get off my ass, get off the couch, and actually go and fix this 300ZX alternator that I've been putting off for ages. And as you probably already know, 300ZX twin turbo, there's absolutely no room. The engine bay is like a sardine can, and this alternator is actually stuck right at the bottom. It's buried under everything, and well, what the fuck is going on? Oh my God. I'm actually trying to make a video. So I'm trying to make a video and this happens. Oh. So what happens now?
What? Grab that car on there so we can get out of here.
You think that thing's going to shut off?
Eh?
You think that thing's going to shut off?
I can't hear.
Alright. Anyway.
What are you making a video on it for?
For YouTube. Oh, crazy.
Was it the smoke from the car when you started it and drove it?
As if. So I just want to stop this video here. I was like, why the fuck would you say that to the fire brigade? Why would you try and dob me in? But anyway. And after much deliberation, we decided to bring this car here.
Put your spanner on that, mate, undo it.
What size?
Eh?
What size?
Put your spanner on that fucking nut.
I said what size?
Well, the size of there. Where's the fuck? You want to get this off or you don't?
Oh yeah, I do. Okay.
Don't freak around with that button. Don't bug around with that button. Do this here.
Okay.
Doesn't get this off. Otherwise I'm going to be here all night doing this.
Okay. Oh. It's out. Power steering out anyway. Like 2 hours later. Had to take off the radiator hose. Had to take off the power steering. And only now we're going to be able to get to the alternator. So, I've just, I've had enough with this Z. It's just not working. Alternator's not working. That's it. I'll just leave it till next time. And see you next time.